Welcome to Sparks Toyota.
Here we have a 2017 Toyota 4Runner TRD Off-Road. It has a clean one-owner Carfax and comes with power heated mirrors, roof rails, splash guards, deep tinted glass, and much more. 17-inch 7-spoke, unique off-road alloy wheels, mud and snow tires, the hood scoop, auto-off projector beam halogen daytime running headlamps, fog lights, and a strong 6-cylinder 4-wheel drive with only 36,795 miles. The power rear window, a hidden wiper, LED brake lights, the tow package, a very spacious cargo area with power outlets, and a comfortable back seat with cup holders, the front row adjustable fabric bucket seating, cruise, AC, a locking glove box, a tracking system, outside temp, a large center console, a leather steering wheel with convenience controls, the multimedia and navigation touchscreen with a CD player, Bluetooth, and voice recognition, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze.
Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.